Warren Buffett, as one of the most successful business leaders and investors of our time, understands the key importance of maintaining a good mental health and emotional stability. In fact, this is one of the main qualities a successful investor and business leader may have, because unless you have it, you will take a big impact on your health and mental health, because you will be affected by stress, worry, and many other things that we create on our own mind. So welcome to this video where we will learn a few insights about what Warren has to say on this topic, and I hope you like it a lot.
Could you please expand on how do you maintain your good mental and physical health?
Well, you start with a balanced diet. Some Wrigley's, some Mars, some C's, some Coke. Oh, basically, if Charlie and I can't have a decent mental attitude, who can? I mean, we get to do what we love doing every day. We do it with people that are not only cheerful about it and like us, but they do their jobs extraordinarily well. They like their jobs too. We're forced to do virtually nothing that we don't want to do. I have a trainer that comes 3 times a week. I think she's probably here. She may think I'm a little begrudging in that particular activity, but that's only 45 minutes 3 times a week. And the rest of the time, I am doing I'm doing whatever I love day by day by day by day, and I do it, in air-conditioned offices and with all kinds of help. How could you be sour about life, being blessed in so many ways? And then the amazing thing is that when Charlie's 84, I'm 77, and we've slowed down, I'm sure, in a lot of ways, but we pretend we haven't, and it doesn't seem to bother us. We get along fine. Great partners, great managers, great families. There's just no reason to look at any minuses in life and to focus on that. It would be crazy. So, we really do count our blessings, because they've been many, and they continue to come forth, and we'll enjoy it as long as we can. There's not much more to it than that. Charlie?
Well, I wish we were poster boys for the benefits of running marathons and maintaining a very slim bodily state and so forth. But as nearly as I can tell, neither of us pays much attention to any health habits or dietary rules. And it seems to have worked pretty well so far. I don't think we can recommend it to everybody, but I, for one, don't plan to change.
Really, from the moment we get up to when we go to bed at night, we get to do all kinds of things. We get this associating with wonderful people is about as good as it gets, and we're biased, obviously, but we think we live in the best country in the world and have all kinds of good things. I mean, just imagine. Well, we could have stayed in my grandfather's grocery store and it would have been hell.
By the way, this relates to the subject of corporate compensation. You're in a job which you would pay to have if that were the only way to get it. And you're supposed to be an exemplar from other people, for other people. There's a lot to be said for not paying yourself very well.
He points that out to me regularly.